Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, I'm doing this video today because I just want to show you this makeup artist bag that I got from the brand Kemier. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. Kemier? I'm just gonna say Kemier. I have been eyeing this bag for almost a year now, and I finally made the decision to get it. I've always wanted to get this ZÜCA, but that one's just really expensive and I cannot justify the price. This one is not very cheap, but it's much more affordable than the ZÜCA bag. So it has pockets on the side where you could put, I don't know, sanitizers, bottles, whatever. And in front, pocket here, another pocket over here, and then pocket in here as well. And what I like most about this bag is it has this thing over here. I'm not sure what this is for, but I figured out a really smart way to use it. I'll just strap in my tripod in here, just like so. I hate taking this tripod with me. It just weighs too much. So this is a really smart way to use this strap. So this bag retails for 99 euros. It looks like this when you open it. You have this mesh pocket in here. It's velcroed in there, so I don't know, maybe you could put bigger palettes in there if they don't fit inside these bags. And I don't know what you call them. Is it PVC pouches? I don't know. So yeah, you have this smaller bags that looks just like the ones from the ZÜCA bag. So you have 2 smaller bags and 4 of this bigger ones. And there's this detachable thing inside. I guess you could put your brushes in here. I don't think I'm gonna use that because I already have a brush belt, but it's really nice of them to include that. By the way, this bag arrived here safely bubble wrapped, and it was in this box, and this box was inside this much bigger Amazon box. I want to show you a closer look of the inside of the bag. So the bag is made of this fabric, but the insides are lined with plastic, which is really cool because that means this is so much easier to clean. So it also has a handle right here if you want to use them individually or whatever. And the zippers look good, and the quality of the zippers are amazing. Right off the bat, I'm really already impressed with the quality of this bag. I'm gonna be right back. I will be loading all of my makeup products inside, and I'll see you later. Hey guys, so this is the next day. I'm headed to a makeup gig, so I'm really in a rush. So as you can see, I have transferred all of my makeup products in these PVC bags, and I'm gonna start loading them inside the bag. So here are all of my skincare and disposables, and also the primers are in there. And I have my palettes, all of the palettes and all of the powders. Then here are the foundations and the concealers. So basically cream and liquid products. And I have the eye products with falsies in it, and the lip products. So everything's in there. Everything fits perfectly. I still have a spare bag in here. I need to put all of my hair stuff in there, but I'm not gonna be hairstyling today, so I decided to leave that out. If I put it inside, it's gonna be like full to the top. If I have everything in there, it means I won't be able to put my brush belt. So I decided to just leave the other one and put my brush belt inside instead. By the way, I put this palette inside, and I just threw in this hairspray here just in case, even though I'm not gonna be doing hair. Someone might need it, so it's in there. On the other side is my handheld mirror and extra eyelashes.